Alright, this is a question that I like a lot, so have a look. Company A offers you an initial salary of 56,000 with a raise of 2,800 per year. On the other hand, Company B offers you the same salary, right? This is just initial, same one, right? 56,000. But the raise is 4.2% per year. Which company will pay you a higher annual salary after 10 years? Or which one would you choose? Alright, so this one, for the first one, it's always 2,800 per year, right? So this is a linear growth. So let me just work out what company A will pay us first, right? Company A. And again, this right here, it's linear because it's always the same amount over and over. I'm just going to write it as y equals mx plus b, right? The classic y is equal to mx plus b formula. Well, let's go back to our question. Right here, the 56,000, that's going to be the initial starting, which is our b right here. So 56,000. And then the 2,800 per year, that's the rate of change. So the m is 2,800. So of course, we can just put the 28 right here, 2,800, and then the b right here, which is 56,000. And I'm just going to write down the rest. Y equals 2,800 times x, and then plus this, right? And then I will just tell you when x is equal to 10, right? So just plugging x is equal to 10, we are going to get y equals 2,800 times 10 for the x. And then plus 56,000. Alright, work this out. In the end, you end up with y equals 84,000, right? And this is about dollars, so let me just put that down. Alright, and now let's take a look at company B. This right here, it has the percent. This is actually the exponential growth. So exponential growth, right? And the formula that we'll be using is y equals initial, which is the a, times 1 plus r for the rate, and then raised to the t's power. Why this one? Well, it's because we have the rate in percent, 4.2%. And now, I will go back here. Right here, we have the 56,000. So in our formula, that's the a value. A is 56,000. And then the percent, this right here, and it's increase. So R is positive. And you change 4.2% into decimal, you get 0.042, like this. All right, so that's just plugging, and of course t is equal to 10. Yeah, t and x, same thing in the sense. So here we go. Y equals a, which is 56,000. And then we multiply by 1 plus r, which is 0.042. And then raise to the t's power, which is 10. So I'll just raise this to the 10th power like this. And again, you just have to use your calculator and then just work out everything. So you will get y is approximately 84,000, but 501 and 0.66 cents. So yes, during the 10th year, company B will give you a higher salary, right? So that's it.